There is a question, there is a research. What type of questions it is? When you are traveling from one part to another part in Bangalore city, what type of problems, what type of questions will come to you? Traffic jam, pollution, climate change. Majority of the things you may find there will be some kind of traffic problems. Your research will start from the questions only. Somebody will ask you when to do the research, when the research thoughts will come. Then there is a question, then research thoughts will come. Whatever you are thinking, there is no single solution for the research. When I ask the question, whatever the you people are given the answers, everything related to right answer only. There is no wrong answer in the research.